Another hands-on video of the Galaxy S26 Ultra is here. In this leaked hands-on video, we get a clear look at the Galaxy S26 Ultra's rear design. The phone appears in a matte silver or white finish that reflects light softly, giving it a very premium and minimal feel. The back panel looks clean, with no aggressive textures or flashy branding, just a subtle Samsung logo near the bottom. The biggest highlight here is the new camera design. Samsung has introduced a vertical, pill-shaped camera island that houses 3 primary camera sensors. To the right of this island, there are 2 additional cutouts, likely for a secondary telephoto sensor and a TOF-style sensor. This layout is a noticeable change from the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The camera rings now feature a metallic finish, replacing the older floating ring design. This makes the camera module look more solid and refined. The bump is still noticeable, but the layered design helps it blend better with the phone's overall look. The corners of the device are more rounded, marking a clear move away from the boxy Ultra designs of the past. The flat side frame is visible in the hands-on shots, and the phone appears comfortable to hold without feeling bulky. The overall thickness looks well-balanced and premium. This video makes one thing clear. Samsung has gone for a more mature, clean, and flagship-focused design with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, without overdoing any single element. It's also important to mention that what we're seeing here is most likely a dummy unit, not the final retail device. However, just like every year, once we get closer to the official launch, real hands-on images and videos of the actual device usually start appearing before launch. So for now, we'll wait, and I'll keep bringing you every small update as it comes. That's all for today's video. Let me know how you like the hands-on video in the comments. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S26 Ultra design? Let me know in the comments section. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.